we got here, huh? A Mr. Carlo Guzman? Another one of these cases, huh? Not even an ID. Amateur hour. Man, cash chips, cheating device? I mean, this guy really brought the whole circus to the casino. Maybe he's not such an amateur after all. I mean, he looks familiar. I swear I've seen his face before. I say they look familiar with every stupid case they throw at me. Probably just need another cup of coffee. You've got some secrets, Guzman. We're gonna find them out soon. I just can't figure him out. I mean, that face, it just looks so familiar. No. Could it be? It can't. Carlo Guzman, Tim Costello. Tim Costello. Could it really be you? I mean, I thought this was all over. I thought it was all over after the...
Well, after what happened.
What are you doing with that damn detective back there? You playing hammer time or something?
No, that could have been me, man.
What do you mean?
No, it wasn't
What
me.
do you mean?
It was no. Oh my God, no! Oh!
Come on. What's up? You okay, man? What's going on? You alright?
Bill?
Tim! Yeah, it can't be you! Is it?
What are you doing here?
It's really you. Listen, I'll take you to lunch. I'll tell you all about what's happening. You just gotta get out of here with me right now.
Okay.
Let's go. Come on. Well, after what happened, I thought you were done with this life. I want my best friend back. I need to make a call. Hey man, we haven't talked in years. Just thinking of catching up. Sorry, I just haven't called you in so long. Would you want to meet at Smoked Barbecue in Orange? Monday at noon? Perfect. You actually showed up.
Of course I'd show up. You were my best friend for years. But if you think just because I passed out...
Listen. I'm sorry. I'm not just here to check up on you and make sure you're okay.
What? Then why'd you bring me here?
Listen, I didn't want to tell you this, but a few days ago I picked up a case and the suspect looked an awful lot like you.
You've got to be kidding me.
I'm not kidding you. So right now, you're in a lot of trouble. I mean, I was already on your ass before, and now this? I thought all this crime business ended years ago when you knocked me out with that hammer. Listen, if you're gonna get out of this, you are gonna need my help.
Wait, you're saying you're gonna help me? Man, do I gotta fill you in on Rocco.
Rocco Rousseau Aldolfo III? He's our most high-profile case at the police department. How do you know about him?
He's my boss.
No way.
Yeah, but he's not so completely bad as he seems. Trust me. But he hasn't been treating us right. Any of us right. And it's like he owns us or something. But I need to get out of this business. And I mean, out on all of it.
So you'll take my help?
Yeah, but I gotta fill you in on something.
What is it?
Well, because of that last event, when I got caught, he said I'm gonna have to owe him.
What? money?
Yeah, he said if I don't give him 10 grand by the end of the week, well, he said there'd be consequences.
Jesus, Tim, 10 grand? I mean, how are we gonna get that money? I think I got an idea.
Yeah?
How about we start just where you got busted? The casino.
Okay. I think that's a plan. Hey, how you like my jacket?
What are you wearing, man?
What, dude? You told me to wear better clothes. And now I'm wearing better clothes.
Whatever, just get on with it.
So, how exactly are we supposed to get this 10 grand so fast?
Come on! Do you not remember when we would come to the casino? I would count cards and the money would just roll in.
Dude, it's been years. Casinos have changed since then. And you're telling me you still remember how to count cards?
Listen, man, I remember how to count cards. The hard part is not getting caught. This will be a piece of cake.
You sure you still got this?
Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. The music loud, women walk. I've been kicked around since I was born. I never tolerate, that's okay. And you may look the other way, but we can try to understand. The New York Times are big on man. Whether you're a brother or whether you're a mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, but we're staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.
Oh my god, dude! It's just like the good old days. Hey, I think that's about it, right? 10,000?
Yeah, I don't think I've even ever seen this many chips before. Come on, let's go get this cash down and finish the job.
Let's get out of here.
After you, Your Majesty.
Shut up.
You wearing a seatbelt? I mean, look at all this money. Hey, we should be getting a call any minute now from Rocco.
But how does he know that we already have the money?
We were gambling on his turf. He has eyes everywhere there. Oh, hey, I think it's him.
Answer it.
Okay.
Hello. I hear you and a friend of yours got the money now. I'd like to see you two in 403 Double Crossroads Jail tomorrow at noon. Be there or be square.
Guess we've really got a date with the devil now, don't we?
There's no backing out now.
Hey, can we take your Bronco tomorrow?
I don't see why not.
Bill?
Ready. Let's do this.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Can we get a 10-piece nugget meal?
Fries.
Sure, any sauce?
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
Alright, anything else?
Can we get 2 ice cream cones?
Your cones, okay?
That's everything.
Take me by the hand, take me to the land that you understand. Bye bye bread, bye bye bye, bye bye bread, bye bye bye, bye bye bread. SpongeBob SquarePants, who's telling another what party to see? SpongeBob SquarePants. No.
Well, this is what the address says.
I mean, this should be it, right? But how do we get in?
You know, I think I see a path behind those bushes over there.
Let's go.
This is it. Hey, watch out right there.
Yeah, I got you. You're telling me out of all places, you chose this place?
I know. I can't believe it either.
At least we're gonna get out of this mess.
Last chance. This place looks really nice, huh?
Right?
Well, the money's all here. It looks great, too.
Is he running late or something?
I don't know, but just remember that after this, I'm out of the game.
Listen, we just need to get this over with, okay?
Okay. Holy f***.
Well. Nice to see you two finally came through with the money.
There it is.
Good job.
There you go.
Well, I hope I never have to see you two ever again. Especially you, Guzman. You got nobody left to protect you anymore. Au revoir. Get out of here.
Jeez. We gotta get
Right behind you. I mean, what a day, right?
Yeah, definitely.
You know, Bill, I can't keep living like this. I don't want to be the bad guy anymore.
You don't have to be the bad guy. I mean, listen, you gave me dirt on Rocco, and I said I would scrap your case as long as you promised to stay good.
You really meant that?
Of course. Are you kidding me? I mean, after today? We used to be kids after all.
Yeah.
Swore I'd never bend the rules. Not for power, not for pride. But now I see your face again, and the law don't know me inside. Walk the line with my head held high. Tried to bury what I done, but the weight keeps on pulling at my pride. The past, it won't stay undone.
I thought I had to make it fast, win the world or lose it all. Now I'm staring down the barrel, scared to make the call.
So draw the line and hold it tight, regarding both wrong and right. The mask's no games, no gray skies, just the truth behind these eyes. There's a line between the shadows and the light. There's a line between what's wrong and what feels right. We both stood on it shaking, hearts too bruised for breaking. But tonight, maybe we can make it, make it, make it right.
You know, almost every night I still dream about that whole Rocco situation. But when I wake up, I just have to laugh at it because of how we ended up on top in the end.
Wait, what do you mean we ended up on top? I mean, we literally gave the dude $10,000.
Come on, you're telling me you don't remember what I did with those duffel bags?
What do you mean?
Remember? I switched the real money for that fake 10 grand I found.
You did what?
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Costello, Robinson, you two messed with the wrong guy if you think $10,000 of fake money wouldn't go unnoticed. You better start running. You two have it coming.